Hey, it's Kate with WTI. If you are looking for the perfect gift for yourself or for someone you love, I highly recommend checking out this sweet little necklace. This necklace is by Jude Jewelers, and I just think that it is the sweetest little thing. It's so simple but so beautiful and would really make a lovely gift. Something I appreciate about it is how sturdy and solid the chain and clasp are, and also the fact that this necklace is stainless steel. So if you have any kind of irritation to certain metals, stainless steel can be a really nice option. I also love that these floating hearts do slide along the chain, but at the same time, when you're wearing the necklace, they just sit so beautifully. So they're not stuck in one place, but yet they do sit together really nice. And it's just such a beautiful necklace. I think the length is perfect. Whatever kind of top you're wearing with it, the stainless steel goes with everything. And those three little hearts are just so precious. This would make a great gift for yourself or for someone else. This heart necklace is just so sweet. I really, really love it, and I'm really impressed with the quality. I think you're gonna love it too, but that's just my point of view.